As we ask our food systems to do more with less, nature is not just an inspiration. It offers us solutions. At Nutreco's Garden of the Future, this understanding becomes a discipline. Here, plant science is explored with intention and responsibility. But harnessing plant complexity responsibly means going beyond discovery. It means guiding how plants are grown, harvested, and cared for in ways that protect ecosystems, respect biodiversity, and reduce pressure on natural resources. In the regions where these plants are cultivated, this work also supports local growers, strengthening rural livelihoods and helping communities thrive. And that impact becomes even more powerful further down the chain. When nutrition supports animal resilience, performance becomes more stable, losses are reduced, and resources are used more efficiently, helping food systems produce more from less. PhytoComplexes remind us that progress doesn't come from simplifying complexity, but from embracing it. When science works with nature's full potential, animals are supported, ecosystems are respected, local communities thrive, and food systems move forward towards a future that is more balanced, more responsible, and built to last.